Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Arlo Secure for device protection, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Arlo device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Arlo app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log in with your Arlo account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts in the app. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu located at the bottom of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Service Plan option. Tap on it to view the available Arlo Secure plans. Review the features and pricing of each plan to determine which one best fits your needs. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't already done so. Fill in your credit or debit card details as required. Review your payment information for accuracy before proceeding. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your subscription to Arlo Secure has been successful. You can view your active subscription in the Settings menu. This ensures your Arlo devices are now protected under the selected Arlo Secure plan. Remember to check your email for any confirmation or welcome messages from Arlo. You're now all set to enjoy enhanced protection for your devices with Arlo Secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.